has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10:45 p.m. At 9:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots from 25 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 71 nautical miles west of Northerly Island, moving east at 45 knots. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.